welcome to my channel. My name is Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit sent over from Luvme Hair. Today's unit is coming from their All Day Comfort collection. This is how she's looking like straight out of the box. This is a 7x6 loose body wave unit, and you can get this unit with or without bangs. I received her with bangs. They're also offering this unit in 14 inches all the way down to 28 inches, and if I'm thinking correctly, I received the 24 inch. With this being a 7x6, it does mean that you are going to get 7 inches going across the front and then 6 inches going straight back for the parting space, which also means that even though I do have this unit with a bang, I am still able to create side parts, middle parts, zigzag parts, whatever type of parts my little heart feels because of the space. As you can also see, this unit does come with a pre-cut lace. It also comes with a pre-plucked hairline, but let's be real, girl, we got a bang on ours, so we're not really worried about the hairline, right? Right. It also comes with a pre-bleach knots as well. The cap construction for this unit comes with one comb in the back. It also comes with a pre-attached security band that you can adjust and or remove if you choose to do so. And instead of our traditional adjustable straps in the back, we're getting our bra strap adjustable strap. And by now we all know that if we put the hooks on the very inside or the closest inside, that's going to be a small cap size. The ones in the middle is going to be a medium cap size, and then of course the ones on the outside is going to be a large cap size. By just holding the unit up like this, I do think that I'm going to go in and probably cut about this much off of the bottom of the unit just so it can have like a fuller look throughout the entire unit. But then again, I don't know, we'll have to see. I do know that I'm going to go through and refresh the curls, even though it came pre-curled. I don't know, it's just something that I like to do. Okay, let's go ahead and get into my pros and cons about Miss Girl. To start off with my cons first, well, I don't have any cons. What's funny is that recently I was saying how I'm kind of over the curtain bang wigs. I don't want to do them anymore. I don't want to review them anymore. And then I mess around and I get one like this and I'm like, girl, you still very much so like curtain bang wigs. So to just go straight into my pros for this unit, I really like how this bang came not only long, but it also came thick as well. When I first put this unit on and seen the bang, I was just like, ugh, oh my gosh, here we go again. But then I had to actually like step back, take a moment and look on the brighter side of things. I know that I like my bangs long. I can't stand when I get a unit that's supposed to have a bang and the bang is short. Like, no ma'am, no thank you. Because then you have to like push the wig forward in order for it to like sit on your head the right way, you know, for the bang to look right. I didn't have to do that with this one. On top of it, I was just like, I don't really like a thick bang either. But then I was like, girl, you have tweezers. You tweeze a hairline whenever you feel like the hairline is too dense. So go ahead and tweeze this bang. With cutting and tweezing the bang, I feel like it came out just right. Like it's not too long, it's not too thick, it's not too thin. It's literally just right. I also like the few little layers that were in the front of this unit, but of course I had to go in and add just a few more, not too many, but just a few more. But I generally, there we go, feel like anytime a unit comes with layers, it needs to be tailored to said person. As I stated earlier in the video, I did go in and like knock off some of the bottom of this unit, and that's also because I felt like it was just kind of on the thinner side in comparison to like the rest of the unit. And I've said this in past videos before, how I liked my units to look very healthy, and if that means that I have to cut off some of the bottom in order for it to look healthy, good Lord, I can't talk. If I have to cut off some of the bottom in order for my unit to look healthy, then so be it. Even with me taking off those couple of inches off the bottom, I still feel like the unit gives a very long look. As for the lace on this unit, as you can see, it's definitely giving scalp. And keep in mind, I did not add any lace tint spray, any foundation, none of that. This is just the brown stocking cap that I have covering my natural hair. The fit of this unit is definitely giving big head friendly, because not only do I have it on like the farthest bra strap hook thingamajig outwards, but I also have the security band stretched to the max as well. And honestly, I could have tightened both of them. Like, I have so much space back there to where I just went ahead and like push the unit back some, because I was like, I like where the bang is sitting right now. I like how the lace is looking at the top and whatnot. I don't mind me pushing the unit back a little bit. So I'm saying all this to say, there's enough space back there for some extra head or hair. Yeah, I will say that I like how this unit has the ability to be put in different types of styles. I mean, obviously you can wear her straight down. Pretty sure you can wear her in a half up, half down, possibly a ponytail. You'll just have to be mindful of the backing of the unit. You can definitely put this unit in a claw clip as well. Now, if you know anything about me, I'm not really one of the style my units in different shapes, ways, and forms type of girl. I am the type of girly who is like, I'm here to showcase the unit, how it is online, and I'm also here to let you know the facts about her. Like, that's just me. Keep in mind, this is a 7x6 unit, so therefore if you do plan on like tucking the hair behind your ear, you will have a little bit of hair lift out depending on how long your sideburns are. I have a little bit, but it ain't hurting nobody, okay? Yeah, for the most part, it's covered. The last thing I wanted to mention about this unit is that I am wearing it completely glueless. I'm talking about no sprays, no glues, no nothing. And that's only because she is a bang wig. And I feel like anytime I'm wearing a bang wig, I'm not finna do all of that, the sprays and glues. Well, never the glues, but the sprays, because you can't see the lace. There's no need to melt it. But yeah, that is pretty much all I have to say about this unit. She is for sure a winner chicken dinner in my opinion, and I also feel like she is beginner friendly. So if you plan on picking her up or any unit on Luvme Hair's website, feel free to use my code TANDOTSON. That'll save you 28% off. But yeah, you guys let me know your thoughts and opinions about this unit down in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at TANDOTSON. I'll be sure to have all of the information for this unit down in the description box below, so make sure you check that out. And with that being said, I don't think I have anything else to say though, except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.